I don't blame Poppi for being like that, though.
Yeah.
Because the one walks off with anyone.
There's Poppy's babies. He brought him over today because he was around. There's Poppy. And then, of course, there's all these guys that we already fed.
Why you gotta fucking fight me so hard?
Oh.
Who was that?
These guys.
Someone just like went down through the water.
There's like 10 of them over there. Someone went over there sleeping.
I'm trying.
And Poppi finally came over.
The babies. And the tree swallows are coming down and grabbing all the feathers.
Yeah. All right, easy.
Poppy's eating my shoe.
Yeah, give them some. All right, guys. See you later.